Ucelayo uyaphiwa, ongqongqozayo uyavulelwa. Yabona njengoba kukhona ama-infinite potentials and possibilities in the present moment. Yabona mfowethu, ngikutshela iqiniso mina. Uyakwazi ukustepha outside of space and time. Kunevithi engeke ngayenza la. Yabona uwena o-successful, uwena othokozile, uwena ojabulile, owena bakhona ba-infinite in the present moment. Kune-infinite potential. But yini okwenza ukuthi wena ucollapse lo wena okhona njengamanje? It's the way you think, feel and act. Once you change the way you think, feel and act, you resonate with wena ohlukile. Yabo mfethu, le reality wena othi reality kuhlezi kuyimanje. Kuhlezi kuyimanje, ayikho i-past, ayikho i-future, kuhlezi kuyimanje, eternal now. Uyabona ukuze uyi-understand kahle lento. Wena ubona le fragment le yamanje, kodwa the whole story has been already written. Njengokuthi nje ubaba umfundi Vundla uyibhalile generations nje yonke ama-episode wonke, uthola ukuthi wena kodwa ubona lo episode at a time. Lokho akwenza ukuthi kube ukuthi that is the only episode that is there. It just wena, that's what you see only, but there is still more to come ngalesikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona, futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngike ngathi ngomhla ka-23 ke kade ngiyilapha ya kwivuma FM ngomhla ka-23 March 2026. Kukhona umbuzo ke wafika ngibuzwa laphana usisi uVanessa ukuthi ke what if kukhona umuntu othi mina izinto zami zihamba kanje, mina ngadle ngulwa, mina this and that, yabo akuhambi kahle. Uhleli kwi-past, into ekuhlanganisa ne-past wena nezokwenza ukuthi i-past ibe i-present iphinde ibe i-future, ube ne-predictable life. Ilento yokuthi uwena lo odlule u-exista as energy, because wena what you remember is how you felt by the time kwenzeka lento eyenzeka kuwena, because wena you are an emotional being. Even ukuthi awusebenzi, awunjani, kumndenini wakho kunjani, konke lokho kuyi-emotion, the very byproduct of i-thought and experience. La kugcina khona umphelandaba is the emotion, ngoba yonke